Welcome, today I am with Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how we can enable or disable clipboard history. So we have to simply go for the settings. Right now you have to go for the system and then click on the clipboard. And as you can see here, we can enable or disable clipboard history. If you enable and if you want to display your clipboard history, you have to click the Windows key and the V button at the same time. And as you can see, in my case, the clipboard is empty because I don't have here now. I don't have here anything. But if you turn off this option and if you try to show clipboard history, you can't show because it's disabled, right? But you can turn it on. You don't have to go for the settings. You can just simply click here to turn on and it's activated, so you can see it. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.